हेलो एवरीवन, आप सबको मेरे चैनल पे स्वागत है। और आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे वन ऑफ द फेमस पोएम नेम्ड शी ड्वेल्ट अमंग द अनट्रोडन वेज बाय विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ। सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर डिले लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। शी ड्वेल्ट अमंग द अनट्रोडन वेज एक पोएम है जिसको फेमस रोमांटिक पोइट विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ ने लिखा था इन द ईयर 1798, जब वो 28 ईयर्स के थे। और ये एक 3 स्टेंजा का पोएम है। इट इज़ वन ऑफ हिज बेस्ट नोन वर्क फ्रॉम ए सीरीज ऑफ 5 टेक्स्ट दैट फॉर्म हिज लूसी सीरीज। And in this series, Wordsworth examines an idealized and unrequited love for Lucy, a girl who died at young age. It is a poem जिसमें loneliness and loss present किया गया है, and it also shows unrecognized beauty and dignity. ये एक ऐसी poem है जिसको एक simple language में poet ने लिखा हुआ है। And so now let's talk about the first stanza. She dwelt among the untrodden ways, beside the springs of Dove, a maid whom there were none to praise and very few to love. These above lines are taken from first stanza, जहाँ पे poet एक maid के बारे में बोलते हैं जो कि एक remote place where few people used to travel. The maid she used to live beside the springs of Dove. और यहाँ पे जो Dove बोला गया है ये क्या है? It is a name of river in central England, and the maid was not praised by anyone because she has isolated herself from others' company by living among the untrodden ways. जो मेड थी वो ऐसी जगह पे रहती थी जहाँ पे कोई आते जाते नहीं थे। Only few people they used to travel from that place. She was an unmarried young woman who never got the appreciation she deserved in life. वो एक अनमेरिड वुमेन थी और उनको जो लाइफ में मिलना चाहिए था, जो एप्रिशिएशन, जो अटेंशन मिलना चाहिए था, पर उन्होंने वो अटेंशन एंड वो एप्रिशिएशन शी नेवर गॉट दैट फ्रॉम द पीपल्स बिकॉज शी हैज आइसोलेटेड हरसेल्फ फ्रॉम एवरीवन. Okay, now let's focus on the second stanza lines. A violet by a moji stone, half hidden from the eye, fair as a star when only one is shining in the sky. In this line, the poet, who is William Wordsworth, he compares Lucy to a violet which is seen by a moji stones. Lucy is like the violet which is half hidden from the eye. This metaphor portrays the beauty of Lucy that only a few ever saw. Wordsworth also compares Lucy, the maid, with a star who is fair, beautiful when only one is shining in the sky. विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ ने लूसी को 2 चीज़ के साथ कंपेयर किया था. One was violet and the other was the star which was shining in the sky. She lived unknown and few could know when Lucy ceased to be, but she is in her grave and oh, the difference to me. Through this line, which are from third stanza, Wordsworth बोलते हैं कि the maid used to live unknown. She was not known by anyone, only few people used to know her. And when she died, there were only few people who knew about her death. When Lucy was in the grave, the poet was very much upset. It is known that her beauty was noticed by the speaker and he too greatly mourned for her death. William Wordsworth, he was very much affected, he was very much upset when Lucy died, as Lucy has isolated herself to a place where no one used to travel. Only few people they used to go there. And William Wordsworth felt very much he was very much disappointed at the death of Lucy, because she died without being noticed by the people. Thank you. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel.